All right, everybody. So a couple days ago, we did the Milwaukee tool. Some people know them as Milwaukee IA tool deals for you. You had a special code that you could save a lot of money. Got a really good deal on pack out. I'll leave that video at the end of this video. But I have another code for you for Dewalt. So if you're a Dewalt user or looking to get into the Dewalt platform, I have a code that's going to help you save a little bit of money. So let's get it going. All right, this is going to be a pretty easy, short, quick video. But before I get started, if you can smash that like button, well, it helps this channel continue doing what we're doing and bringing you the deals. Also, check out the shopping bag attached to this video, the little icon. I'll put some of this stuff in there. It helps you find it quicker and it helps the channel as well. So, all right, let me show you these real quick. These are the sexy flexes. You're going to get two 6 amp hours. These are the flex volt, 20 volt, 60 volts, all that good stuff. So if you want to buy the bat rays and you want to get a better price, how it works is the more you spend, the more you save. Purchase $199 plus of select Dewalt items and you save $25. And if you purchase $299 plus, you're going to save $50. $499, you're going to save $100 with the code. So if I were to take these two 6 amp hour sexy flexes and I add them to the cart, you're going to see it's going to go in at $299. But if I go to view cart, there's going to be a little code area down here, promo code. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to hit yellow flash and I'm going to hit enter. And that's going to be bringing me down to $249. So I'm saving 17%. So $50 off, you get the free shipping, the free handling. Now, of course, it's going to be up to you if you decide that that's the price that you want to spend for these. I'm just giving you the information that this is the code Yellow Flash. The same sort of thing would apply to the Dewalt 20 volt Max XR 1/4 inch quiet hydraulic impact driver. If I were to put Yellow Flash in my cart, it's going to knock $25 off. All right, so for this 12-inch miter saw, you can see that it's off on sale already, but if I take Yellow Flash, I'm going to copy the code, I'm going to add the cart. So it's $379 with the taxes, it brings me up to $398, but then I drop into Yellow Flash again, Yellow Flash, and I'm going to hit apply. It's going to be bringing me down to $329 for that saw. $348 out the door. So you save 33% off. However, where this code is really going to help you is if you spend a little bit more money. So again, we're going to go to add the cart because we're over the higher limit of the $499. We're going to go view cart and then we're going to type in Yellow Flash, YELLOWFLASH, and hit apply. And then that brings you down to $628.99. So, you know, do as you wish. If these codes help you, then use them. I'm just letting you know they're here. And then on top of that, you do have some deals that you can't stack. I wish you could put the Yellow Flash on this, but you do get to pick some free select items. So the 4 amp hour, you're going to get 2 of them. 20 volts, hit select free item. You're going to see this open up. And you're going to get to pick from one of these tools. So that's a pretty real nice like deal. And we do have one more code here. So if you want some DeWalt heated jackets, there's a price drop here. We'll just do this one here, the 20 volt max heated kit for women. We'll do that. You get the men's, you got the women's, whatever. We'll go medium. And then you can see tough 20 right here. So we're going to click on that. So it's already saved 11% off. We're going to add this to the cart. And then if you come in view cart and checkout, you're going to see drop that promo code right in here. And hit apply, and it's going to drop that price down to $190, and with tax $196. So you're saving $47.60 with that code and the discount. So that's pretty real nice. Like, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Check out the previous videos that we did on the tool sales. You're going to save a lot of money on those, and we'll be back more videos soon.